If you're looking for an HVLP spraying solution for spraying your wood and metal surfaces, then keep watching because I might just have the right product for you. Hi everyone, Darren here, and this time we're looking at the Wagner Fine Coat 9900 Plus. That's an HVLP paint sprayer. Now this sprayer is ideal for spraying your wood surfaces and metal surfaces for small to medium projects. Now the sprayer weighs in at about 15 kilograms and it's quite compact, so this makes it very mobile and easy to transport. It's a very simple design. You've got your on and off switch, a circuit breaker and a light to check the filters. If you're wanting to change a filter, it's quite simple to just do a simple twist and that releases the plastic filter housing and will allow you to change the filter. Now when the spray is running, it will be at about 75 decibels, which is about that of a vacuum cleaner, which is loud but not enough to damage your eardrum, so it's still fairly easy to use. Now the spray gun on top, it's got a 1 liter container. It's got a very simple switch just to release, and that will release the container at the bottom. Inside you'll have a suction filter. This container is pressurized, so you'll be able to use the spray gun upside down. It's got 2 settings at the back for your air and your paint, your material. The nozzle is a kit size 4, number 4. And in order to adjust the spray fan pattern, you will be able to, just by releasing the nozzle at the top, you can change the nozzle in the front vertically, horizontally or diagonally. The diagonal will give you the rounded spray fan pattern. Just make sure that after you've adjusted it, you just then secure the nozzle again. Now it will connect to a hose whip. The hose whip itself is a quick release connection, so you can just release the gun quite fairly easily. And this is 1.5 meters, and it attaches to your main hose, which is 9 meters. Now the materials you can use, you can have it up to about 43 degrees. And as I mentioned already, you'll be using this mainly for your wood surfaces and your metal surfaces. So really just an all-round great, versatile HVLP paint sprayer. If you have any questions or comments about this paint sprayer, you can comment in the comment section below, or you can give us a call. Thank you so much for watching and have a great spray.